A Swiss bank account allows a person to keep cash deposits offshore in a country highly regarded for security and privacy. Swiss bank accounts have long been associated with mystery, intrigue, and unbound wealth. Immortalized in popular culture by movies like The Wolf of Wall Street and the James Bond franchise, Swiss banks have always drawn curiosity. But what's the real deal behind a Swiss bank account? Swiss banks are recognized worldwide for their high level of privacy and security. The origin of this reputation dates back to the Swiss banking law of 1934, which made it a criminal act for a Swiss bank to reveal the identity of an account holder. Although the strict privacy laws have since been loosened in response to international pressures, Swiss banks continue to be considered one of the world's safest and most private places to store wealth. People with offshore trusts routinely open a bank account within the trust structure. Keep in mind that Swiss banks are known for their discretion and the privacy they offer to their clients, but they also comply with international banking and anti-money laundering laws. They are unlikely to accept clients who cannot adequately document their income or the source of their wealth. Additionally, Switzerland has signed several agreements with other countries to share banking information to combat tax evasion. This means that while Swiss banks may offer more privacy than banks in some other countries, they are not a way to hide money from tax authorities. Swiss bank accounts offer a range of benefits for those interested in asset protection. Privacy. Privacy is undoubtedly one of the major attractions of Swiss bank accounts. Swiss law strictly protects the confidentiality of its clients, and divulging client information can result in severe penalties. This has made Swiss banks an attractive option for individuals who wish to keep their financial affairs private. Stability. Switzerland is known for its economic and political stability. The Swiss franc is one of the world's most stable currencies, reducing the risk of currency depreciation. Moreover, Swiss banks are highly capitalized, ensuring they are well protected from financial crises. Quality of service. Swiss banks are known for providing high-quality, personalized banking services. Many offer multilingual staff, 24-hour service, and the ability to handle complex transactions. Diverse investment opportunities. Swiss banks offer various investment and wealth management services, including access to international markets. This makes them an excellent choice for individuals interested in diversifying their investment portfolios. While Swiss bank accounts have many advantages, they also have certain drawbacks. Cost. Swiss banks often require high minimum deposit amounts, and their maintenance fees can also be higher than in other banking systems. This makes them a less viable option for people who are not high net worth individuals. Recent changes in privacy laws. In the wake of international pressure and agreements like the Automatic Exchange of Information, AEOI, Swiss banks have had to become more transparent. Tax implications. The OECD's push for transparency means Swiss banks now share information with tax authorities, and offshore tax evasion is more difficult than ever. Clients must pay taxes on their global income and could face penalties if found guilty of tax evasion. The difficulty in opening a Swiss bank account comes from eligibility, documentation, and balance requirements. The most common requirements for opening a Swiss bank account include identification. You must provide a valid passport or government-issued identification. Some banks may also require a second form of ID. Proof of address. This could be a utility bill, a rental agreement, or another document that clearly shows your residential address. Minimum deposit. Many Swiss banks require a minimum deposit to open an account. This amount can vary widely, ranging from a few hundred to several thousand Swiss francs. Verification of income or wealth. You may need to provide documents that verify your income or wealth, such as tax returns, pay slips, or bank statements. Some banks may also ask for information about your employment status and the source of your funds. In-person visit. Some banks require an in-person visit to open an account, although others may allow you to open an account remotely. Background check. Banks may conduct a background check to ensure you're not involved in illegal activities. Application form. You'll need to fill out an application form that includes personal details and information about your desired account. Swiss bank accounts are not just for people who live in Switzerland. All major banks in Switzerland can open an account for a US individual. Many attorneys consider the following Swiss banks to be the best. UBS Group. UBS is one of Switzerland's largest and most well-known banks. It offers various services, including wealth management, retail banking, and commercial banking. It is often recommended for high net worth individuals due to its extensive private banking and wealth management services. Swissquote. This online bank is often recommended for individuals who want easy access to international markets. They provide access to various financial services, including banking, trading, and forex. They are known for their digital banking services and competitive fees. Zürcher Kantonalbank, ZKB. ZKB is the largest cantonal bank in Switzerland, known for its stable performance and wide range of services for individuals and businesses. Julius Baer. This is one of the older banks in Switzerland, primarily focused on private banking and wealth management services. Opening a Swiss bank account can be done online or in person. You must meet the various requirements imposed by the particular Swiss bank. The steps to opening a Swiss bank account are as follows. Choose a bank. Research different Swiss banks and decide the one that best suits your needs. Consider factors such as the services offered, the bank's reputation, the minimum deposit required, the account's fees, and the customer service's quality. Contact the bank. Once you've chosen a bank, get in touch with them. This can typically be done through their website, by phone, or by visiting a branch if you're in Switzerland. Some banks also offer the ability to start the account opening process online. Provide necessary documents. You'll be asked to provide several documents to open your account. These will typically include a valid passport or another form of government-issued identification, proof of your residential address, and possibly documents verifying your income and the source of your funds. Complete application form. Fill out the bank's application form. This will usually require information such as your full name, date of birth, nationality, occupation, and details about the type of account you want to open. Make initial deposit. Once your account is approved, you'll typically need to make an initial deposit. The required amount will depend on the specific bank and the type of account you're opening. Verify the account. Once the bank has processed your application and initial deposit, they will typically send you account details and information on how to access your account, often including online banking details. So this was all there is to Swiss bank accounts. With all the advantages and disadvantages, remember, US citizens and US residents are taxed on their worldwide income. You must report foreign financial accounts to the IRS and declare any earnings on your tax return. By staying informed and compliant, individuals can navigate the world of Swiss banking with confidence.